Hi, this is Catherine Parker, and I wanted to show you around my room. I'm at Mammoth Lodge in Yellowstone National Park in one of their newly renovated rooms. Now, these have been closed down for the last partial season. They opened up July 1st because of the flood in 2022. So let me show you around. Here we go. Got some signature linens and earth tone. Upholstered headboard. Got some ecru linens there. Some craftsman style lighting. Let's take a look at the historic photographs on the wall. That would be part of Mammoth Terrace, and we have got bicycling tourists on there. Okay, kids, can't do that anymore, but it's a historical photo. Let's take a look at the view. Today's a little bit rainy. I'm here at the end of August. So I'm looking out, and over there is Fort Yellowstone. So we've got a reading nook with a mirror and an ottoman. Again, these rooms have been renovated with eye towards the historic preservation. So let's take a look in this yummy bathroom. So all the rooms now have bathrooms, and they used to not. So I have this amazing clawfoot tub, period lighting. There we go, got a towel hanger in chrome. Elongated subway tile. Yeah, we got a thermostat. Look at that tile, it's yummy. We've got a shade on that window. An old radiator. That appears to be a vintage sink. There's the mirror. Again, another period light fixture. Get a load of this. That right there is how you turn on and off the lights. Love it. We have the signature Yellowstone toiletries. Don't you love this? It's like a bridge water faucet. So hot, cold, and then it mixes together. So let's take a look at the tub here. We have a yummy clawfoot tub. Gotta love it. Here we go. Bed tower. And then take a look at this, because this is one of my favorite things about staying inside Yellowstone National Park. With a little bear soup. You know, one of those are going home with me. And you can actually buy them in the stores. Original door. Got some brass hardware. So let's take a look at the storage. And this room also has a beverage bar. So this is managed by Santera Properties, and one of their really big things is recycling. So look at this recycling receptacle, labeled individual tin. Here we got a coffee maker, tea, got some Tazo tea. And we've got some signature wine bottle, Yellowstone glassware, very convenient microwave. Also a mini fridge. Let's take a look in this unit right here. Get a place for hanging. So that's nice. And then let's take a look here at the closet. So here we go, we have closet, hanging rod. Okay, so these, got a fan, and we do not have an ironing board, so but I'm pretty sure you can probably request one of those. Here we go, Roosevelt arch. It's a historic photo, horses. Here we go, table. Again, I am at Mammoth Lodge. This is room 307. It is on the 3rd floor.